Hari Om students. Today we see the topic air around us. What is air? How is it found? Air is found everywhere. We cannot see, but we can feel it. Air in a motion is called wind. Air occupies space. Air is present in water and soil. Air is a mixture of nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, water vapor, and a few other gases. Some dust particles may also be present in it. Have you ever played with a fricky? Hold the stick of the fricky and placed in different directions in an open area. Move it a little back and forth. Observe what happens. Does the fricky rotate? What makes a fricky rotate? By moving air, isn't it? Next, the topic is a weathercock. Have you seen a weathercock? It shows the directions in which the air is moving at the place. Is air present everywhere around us? It's air present in the everywhere around us. Give one activity. Do how air present it. Take an empty glass bottle. Is it really empty or does it have something inside? Turn it. Upside down is something inside it. Now dip the open mouth of the bottle into a bucket filled with water. Observe the bottle. Does water enter the bottle? Next, we tilt the bottle slightly. Does the water now enter the bottle? Do you see bubbles coming out the bottle or hear any bubbly sound? Yes, you are right. It is air that was present in the bottle. The bottle was not empty at all. It was filled completely with air even when we turned it upside down. Our earth is surrounded by a thin layer of air. This layer extends up to many kilometers above the surface of the earth and is called atmosphere. What is atmosphere? Our earth is surrounded by a thin layer of air. This layer extends up to many kilometers above the surface of the earth. Many kilometers extends up to above the surface of the earth is called atmosphere. How is the oxygen in the atmosphere replaced? We read about photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? In this process, plants make their own food and oxygen is produced along with it. Plants also consume oxygen for respiration, but they produce more of it than they consume. That is why we say plants produce oxygen. It is obvious that animals cannot live without plants. The balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is maintained through respiration in plants and animals and by the photosynthesis in plants. Next, we see the topic windmills. The wind makes the windmill rotate. Windmills are also used to generate electricity. Bats, and insects can fly due to the presence of air. Air also helps in the dispersal of seeds and pollen of flowers of several plants. Air plays an important role in water cycle. Plants and animals depend on each other for exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide from air. Are you understand, students? Thank you.